welcome back, guys. In our previous class we discussed on how to buy your domain name and hosting from the Namecheap company. So in today's class we are going to be discussing on how to set up your Cpanel and your webmail for your website project. Before now, you might have received your login details from the hosting company Namecheap in order for you to access your Cpanel. So for you to access your Cpanel, all you need to do is to type in the name of the domain name that you purchased from the hosting company. Then you type here /cpanel/. So let's go into that right away. To access your Cpanel, what you need to do is to type in the name of your domain, then /cpanel. So for this class I'm going to be making use of this website to do this training. Let us check. Let me open this my Cpanel. Extendlight Global. Okay, you can see that is Extendlight Global. This website is extendlightglobal.com.ng/cpanel/. Then you click on enter. Immediately you click on enter, it will bring you here. This is your Cpanel login, where you have to put your login details, the one that was sent to you. Then you will have your username. You have to put your username and also your password. I've already put mine, so click on login. Alright, we have already logged in successfully. So this is your Cpanel dashboard. So in the Cpanel dashboard you have your emails. This is where you access your email and where you can be able to set up your webmail. So we have the files. So in all this I will be explaining all these later. You have your database. This is for your database, when you have your PHP MyAdmin, MySQL database. Then you have your domain. This is where you can be able, in case you want to create a subdomain, this is where you will be able to do all that. So all these other ones, some of them are not that important, though I will have a separate video where I will be able to explain all this in details. Alright, in order for you to install your WordPress, you can either click on this WordPress Manager by Soft Calculus, or you go down on this software menu. You see it here, WordPress Manager by Soft Calculus. Anyone, you can either use this or this. So let me use this. Just click on it once. Okay, it will bring you here. In this website I already have some WordPress that I've already installed. I have WordPress that I've installed already. So for the sake of for you won't have all this. Maybe your dashboard will look new, but for this particular one I have some website that is already running on this Cpanel. So for you to install your WordPress, just click on install. Click on install. Alright, if you click on install, it will bring you to this page. So this is where you do all your settings. This is where you do all your settings. For this particular one, we can see this HTTP, change it to HTTPS. For this WP, make sure you remove this WP. So always make sure you remove your WP. You can remove it, just remove it, remove WP. You check, this is the current version of the WordPress, that is 6.1.1. You can leave it like that. Then on this site settings, go to site settings. On your site settings you have the your site name. What do you want the name of your site to be? It could be the name of your business, maybe you are into shoe or you are into digital marketing. You can just say, let me say Let me just put Cpanel. Let me just name my own. Let me name it Cpanel Global, right? Cpanel Global. Let me choose this particular one. Then here you can put the description of your website. Let me say you are into clothing or you are into digital marketing, so you can just put, let me, for this I want to use it for digital marketing. Then I can just say for all product marketing and advertising. For just remove this default one that is on it. You can remove it. Then I want to put my own description for all digital product and marketing, right? So that is for your site. That is for your site description. This other two, you can leave it like that, don't touch it. Then go to this your admin setting, impute your admin username, take it to leave it on admin. You can as well leave it like that, or if you decide to change it, you can change it, but make sure you remember what you have changed. Then in the password, impute a password that you can remember. For this, let me just impute my password. Okay, as you can see, make sure you put a password that is strong enough. Like from this password I put, I have a 98/100, so it's very strong. So you can put your own password there. Then for this your admin email, for admin email you can put, it depends on the one that you want to choose. Like you can leave it at admin at, then you have your domain name here. You can leave it at admin or at contact us at any or anything, but this is not like your regular email. This is like your website email, so you can leave it at this admin at so at your domain name.com. Then you leave it like that. Then come to this select plugins. On this select plugin, click on classic editor. Click on classic editor. You can leave this other two. Click on classic editor. As well, the language is on English. If you are using any other language apart from English, then you can select, but mine is on English. Okay, then leave other settings. Then go down email. Then on this email installation details, put in the email that WordPress will send your login details, so that you'll be able to access your WordPress, right? Put in the email, not this email that you will place here, not this email, not this particular, not this admin email, but your own personal email, so that they will send you your login details. Let me say Cpanel. Let me just put my own here. Let me say Cpanel gmail.com. Okay. Oh yeah, it's correct. Alright, this is the email that they will send your login details. So immediately you are done with that, all you need to do is just to click on install. Immediately you click on install, they are going to send you a login details containing your login details. So of course you can as well copy this your password, copy it in you can put it in your notes, copy it, so that you're able to use it to log into your WordPress, right? So once you are done, click on install. Immediately you click on install, that is it, your WordPress is already installed on your website. So to access your WordPress, all you need to do in order to access your WordPress, go to your browser, type in your domain name /wp_admin/. That is how to access your WordPress dashboard. Hope you understand. So let me type it. Let me still use this my website, stlight/wp admin slash, right? Then click enter. It will bring you straight to your admin dashboard, where you have to input those your username and the password that you generated. So it will load up. All right, now I'm in my username on my this is how your WordPress dashboard, your WordPress login details will look like. So all you have to do is to input your username and your password. Input your username and your password, the username that you generated while creating this WordPress, and your password. So let me put my own is admin. I like using an admin. All right, let me put my password. Right. Okay. Then you click on login. Immediately you do that, it's going to bring you straight to your WordPress dashboard, where you'll be able to do all your designs, install your plugins, install your themes, and so many others. So just give it a little time, it will load up. Now we are in our WordPress dashboard. So for you, if you are installing it for the first time, you won't be seeing much. Maybe you might just be seeing this post, this media, the page, the comment, right? You won't be seeing much. So that is just it on how to access your cPanel and install your WordPress dashboard. So in our next class, we are going to be discussing how to install your themes and how to install the necessary plugins needed to carry out this your website. All right, stay tuned guys, till next class. Bye bye.